Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree, where we demystify for you the math problems step by step. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of polynomial functions and end behavior topic. Let's solve this one together. The function u of x equals 4x to the power of 9 minus x to the power of 5 plus 2x squared minus 10. Which of the following describes the end behavior of u? So let's recall that the end behavior of a polynomial function is influenced primarily by the term with highest degree, which in this case is 4 times x to the power of 9. So now let's understand how the leading term, which is 4x to the power of 9, dictates the behavior as x approaches positive infinity and negative infinity. So to determine that, I will just rewrite this leading term, 4 times x to the power of 9, and I'm going to split into two pieces, 4 times x to the power of 9. So let's analyze x to the power of 9 first. When I put negative value for the x to the power of 9, since the power is odd number, exponent is an odd number, this is going to result in a negative value. And with the same approach, now when I substitute positive for the x, then the power of 9 is going to turn into positive value. So 4 times x to the power of 9, this is 4 times, I'm going to use the negative first. Let's say negative. It turns into a negative value. And 4 times x to the power of 9 is 4 times positive, turns into positive. So as x approaches to negative infinity, then our function u is also approaches to negative infinity. As x approaches to positive infinity, the function u approaches to positive infinity as well. So in this case, let's take a look at the choices, and the correct answer will be choice A for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye-bye.